How these 3 customer relation management tips can help your business. The fledgling service provider for businesses on and off the web almost never think about client relations. If you haven't yet attracted any clients, this is certainly understandable. But once you get your first client, then everything changes and you should be ready for anything. If you have no concept of how to deal with clients, then you can crush your reputation in no time flat. All is not lost if that happens, and you will magically become much more interested in managing client relations. When you have a need to discuss something with a customer, carefully consider the best way to do it. In times of emergencies or when something goes wrong, call your client and get into personal conversation with them. What you want to do is be heard in a clear manner about the problem. The back and forth of a phone conversation allows for more to be said than an email reply. This is why calling them is so much better than emailing. People might consider emails as just a way to postpone dealing with the issue. A phone call, however, is a very personal way to connect with someone and talk about the issue. Don't assume you know everything there is to know about relationship management, as this can be tricky at times. In an ideal world, every customer would be satisfied with every transaction, but this isn't always the case. There may be a delay, malfunction, or mistake that harms all concerned parties. When such things occur, you have to be concerned not only about this particular client but also on how it reflects on your business. There are usually ways to repair the damage that's been done if you are willing to look for them. Never assume the client relationship is over unless you receive communication that is unambiguous. If you aren't sure how to solve the problem, look for advice or help from someone more experienced. If you really want to master good client relationship management, you need to actually listen to your clients. Yes, you are the expert, but they have their input they will want to offer. Simply listen to what they have to say and then discuss it with them. Prove to them that you respect them as much as they respect you. Even if they're missing the mark, stay positive and highlight what they've got right. If they are completely wrong, logically tell them what they need to do. If you are overly confident and have a strong personality, you need to be as careful as possible in your word choice. Every business is different, and preparing for each and every client relationship management problem is virtually impossible. You will be fine, as long as you can work from a foundation of pertinent information. Even if you are doing this solo, you can take care of most of the problems on your own. By reading a few books and watching a few DVDs, you will be properly prepared for whatever happens.